Welcome to Miss Lindsay.
Hello, boys and girls. Leo, join in this, please. I feel awkward.
Oh, God.
There's a castle, Tutbury Castle.
It's
We're going
ruins.
to watch it's ruins.
What about
And
Tutbury
we're
Donkey?
going to watch a firework display, aren't we, Leo? Yeah. Say hello.
Where are you? At the gate?
Candy floss.
Oh, candy floss. There's food and toffee apples and a barbecue, so that's why I'm here. Boisson. Je parle en français avec ma sœur.
La man.
Look at the lights everywhere.
I bet it looks better on film.
No, it looks worse actually. Oh, the barbecue's here though. This is the important bit. Because they would have like had a whole roast. A
I'm
hot dog.
vegetarian.
No Russian.
That's the Nestle factory. There's a train. Look.
It's like a sentence.
No wait, is there?
Yeah.
Train. No, he's speaking slippery. Tavelha. We are.
We are.
I'm filming on my iPhone, by the way.
Fine. This is Leah's head. Vegetarian.
I heard something and I thought, oh my god. I can't even get it all on camera. Oh my god. How do they make them so that they do that? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. And back down. I'm gonna fall off backwards. Oh, that was it.
We have sparkling paint.
That's mine. Can you see him? Hello. There's a pumpkin. Who's left the pumpkin? Andrew's on a vlog now. Kirsty, look. Kirsty, look. Kirsty, look.
Oh, you've lit it.
Oh my god. Oh well, we have to climb down
And it's
there.
muddy.
And it's, yeah, Salem. It's muddy and it's like slippy, and everyone else has already been down it, so it's going to be extra slippy.
Can you vlog me? Hi.
She's got a sparkler. Let's burn her face. Face bomb. She's being attacked.
You've just been watching Miss Lynn's Cave.
Eh.
Go on.